A stuck parking brake can turn a normal day into a stressful and expensive situation. Many drivers immediately call a tow truck when their vehicle refuses to move, but in many cases, the problem can be diagnosed or even temporarily resolved without spending a fortune. The parking brake system is designed to hold the vehicle securely when parked, but when components seize, rust, or malfunction, the brake may remain engaged even after you release the lever or pedal. One of the most common causes of a stuck parking brake is rust and corrosion, especially if the vehicle has been parked for a long time or driven in rainy, humid, or coastal conditions. Moisture can cause the parking brake cables to rust internally, preventing them from sliding back to their released position. The brake shoes or pads may also stick to the drum or rotor surface. Drivers often notice the vehicle feels sluggish, refuses to move, or requires excessive throttle to get rolling.
Cold weather can create another surprising problem. In freezing temperatures, moisture inside the parking brake cable or brake assembly can freeze and lock the mechanism in place. You may release the parking brake handle, but the brakes remain applied because the frozen components cannot move freely. This is particularly common when the parking brake is applied after driving through water, snow, or slush. A seized parking brake cable is another major cause. Over time, dirt, rust, and wear can cause the cable to bind inside its protective housing. When you release the parking brake, the cable remains partially or fully tensioned, keeping the rear brakes engaged. In some cases, only one rear wheel remains locked, causing the vehicle to pull to one side when attempting to drive. Problems inside the rear brake assembly can also keep the parking brake stuck. Worn return springs, seized adjusters, damaged caliper mechanisms, or excessive corrosion can prevent the brake components from releasing properly. On vehicles with rear disc brakes, the parking brake mechanism is often built into the caliper, and a seized caliper can leave the brake locked even when the cable is functioning correctly. Before paying for a tow, check whether the parking brake lever or pedal is fully released, inspect for obvious cable damage, and try gently rocking the vehicle forward and backward if it is safe to do so. Never apply excessive engine power to force the vehicle to move, as this can damage brake components, tires, driveline parts, and even the transmission. If the brake remains locked, a proper inspection of the cables, calipers, shoes, springs, and related hardware is necessary. Identifying the cause early can often save significant repair costs and prevent unnecessary towing expenses.